Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs Text to Speech. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is head on over to ElevenLabs.io. Then from there, go ahead and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we want to come across to the Text to Speech tab on the left-hand side. Now, ElevenLabs Text to Speech lets you convert written text into realistic AI generated voice audio. You can use it for YouTube voiceovers, tutorials, podcasts, audio books, or more. Now, what we want to do is type your text in. We can also use tags to turn into expressive speech. Now, before we do this, come over to the right inside of settings. We can have a look at all the different voices we can use inside of ElevenLabs. So go ahead and find a voice. I'm just going to use this one for this demonstration, Peter. We can use filters by latest, most usage and all that stuff. Then from here, we can choose our model. So 11v3, this is best for storytelling, audiobooks, character voices, emotional narration, cinematic content. Volume 2, 11 multilingual, that is best for YouTube videos, tutorials, podcasts, professional narration and multiple languages. And 11 flash 2.5, now this is best for very fast generation, high volume content, short videos, testing out scripts and automation. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and use the multilingual volume 2. Now go ahead and start typing here or paste the text you'd like to turn into lifelike speech. Okay, so for this demonstration, I've just pasted in a bit of a dad joke here. So from here, we want to go ahead and click on generate speech, and that's going to generate your speech. Then once you've done that, you can go ahead and download this speech.